Are you looking for a way to make passive income with your retirement savings? A gold IRA might be the key to turning your retirement funds into a steady, long-term income stream. Stay with me, because I'm going to show you how this could be your path to financial peace of mind, especially if you're nearing retirement or already retired. Now, if you're someone who's been thinking about diversifying your wealth or protecting it from inflation, gold IRAs are one of the best ways to safeguard your hard-earned money. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to grab the free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs right now because it's a smart move, and this free guide will help you understand why. So, how does a gold IRA work, and how can it help you generate passive income? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the basic idea of a gold IRA. Unlike a traditional IRA or 401k, a gold IRA allows you to invest in physical gold. You might be wondering, why gold? Well, gold has a long history of maintaining its value, even in times of economic uncertainty. When the stock market fluctuates or inflation rises, gold tends to hold its ground. That's why by adding gold to your portfolio, you can protect your wealth against things like a recession, a stock market crash, or currency devaluation. But here's where the passive income part comes in. A gold IRA doesn't just protect your wealth, it can also generate income through gold-backed investments. With a gold IRA, you have the opportunity to earn returns on your gold holdings, whether that's through capital appreciation or by using a gold mining stock investment approach. These can provide dividends, giving you that passive income stream you're looking for. And compared to other options like real estate or stocks, a gold IRA offers a level of security that's hard to beat. Real estate can be unpredictable, especially with fluctuating property values, while stocks can crash in an instant. Gold, on the other hand, has stood the test of time. It's a safe haven for those looking to preserve their wealth and, if structured correctly, generate income. If you're thinking about stocks, bonds, or real estate, consider the risk involved, especially if you're already nearing retirement or living off your savings. Gold IRAs just offer a better hedge against those risks. But let's get more specific. How can you make passive income through a gold IRA? One option is rolling over your current IRA or 401k into a gold IRA. This lets you take advantage of tax-deferred growth, meaning you won't pay taxes on the income until you withdraw it. This can create a consistent source of passive income that grows over time without the tax burden. Another option is through a self-directed gold IRA, which offers you more control over how and where you invest your gold. If you're serious about taking control of your retirement future, make sure to check out the free guide in the description to learn why so many Americans are choosing gold IRAs. This guide will show you how to protect your wealth, navigate the setup process, and avoid common pitfalls. Now, if you've got over 100K in your IRA, 401k, or even up to $5 in savings, a gold IRA could be a game changer for you. It's perfect for high net worth retirees who want to make sure their wealth not only stays protected, but also continues to grow with minimal risk. So, if you're looking for peace of mind and the potential for long-term income, a gold IRA is worth considering. I hope this video has helped you understand the potential of using a gold IRA to make passive income while protecting your wealth. If you want to get started or learn more, click that link in the description and grab your free gold IRA guide. Trust me, it's an easy first step towards securing your financial future, and it's especially valuable for American retirees like you who want to stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and if you've got more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.